Hi everyone, good afternoon. So we are now here at Little Kyoto of Japan. So we are going to explore here on their designs. So as you can see at the back, no, nakikita niyo sa aking likuran, yan yung mga Gisa, no? Gisa, basahin niyo Gisa. Ito ay also known as Kiko or Gigi, are a class of female Japanese performance artists and entertainers trained in traditional Japanese performing arts styles such as dance, music, and singing, as well as being proficient conversationalists and hosts. So, yan yung mga traditional arts and styles sa Japan, guys, no? As you can see, yan yun, napakaganda, no, yung mga styles nila and arts. So ito po yung ground dito, no? Yan, dito na kami ngayon sa ibabaw at yun sa baba, no? So ito naman sa likuran ko, ito ay tinatawag na pagoda, no? So a tiered tower with multiple caves common to China, Japan, Korea, Vietnam, and other parts of Asia. So most pagodas were built to have a religious function, most often in Buddhist. So tignan natin dito, guys, yung ano yung nasa loob. So yun yung Buddhist, no? Buddhismo.